Hi, my name is Psycho Iris. I'm 22 years old. I'm from the Philippines. And this is what I said about, and this is what I said to after watching the season finale of Stranger Things. And this is my message to them after watch the finale. Alright, here I'm going to read it. I just want to thank the Stranger Things finale. I'm thankful to Stranger Things because I have gained inspiration to be creative and adventurous, to become smarter, and to treat friendship like family. Thank you so much to the cast and to the Dapper Brothers. And we believe that you will meet again in the future and make another project. And we believe that one day they will meet again or reunite with them or reunion to the castle groups that it takes because we want to see a real happy ending or alternative scene with Mike meet 11. So I hope that one day, one day they will get reunite because they will never get to see each other after the final episode of Stranger Things, up to the final production. So that's my message to them. And thank you, Double Brothers. Thank you, the cast and crew. You make us inspiration, not just for me and the whole world. And thank you for watching my video to everyone. And thank you to all.